In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Airbnb reservation in 2026 step by step. To get started, open Airbnb and sign into your account. You can do this either in the Airbnb app or on the Airbnb website, depending on which one you prefer to use. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one account before, since your reservation will only appear under the account where the booking was originally made. Once you're signed in, go to the trips section. In the app, this is usually located in the bottom menu. On the website, you'll typically find it in the top navigation area. This section shows your upcoming, current, and past bookings. So it's the main place you'll use to manage a reservation. Next, select the reservation you want to cancel. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct booking, especially if you have multiple trips scheduled. This helps avoid canceling the wrong reservation by mistake. After opening the reservation details, scroll down until you see the option labeled Cancel Reservation, then tap or click it. At this point, Airbnb may ask you to choose a reason for canceling your booking. If prompted, simply select the option that best matches your situation and continue. You'll then be shown the cancellation details. This is an important screen, so review it carefully. Airbnb will usually display your refund amount, if any, along with the host cancellation policy. Read through this section closely so you understand whether you'll receive a full refund, a partial refund, or no refund at all. Before moving forward, confirm that you understand any fees, deadlines, or refund conditions that apply to your reservation. This step is especially important because once the cancellation is finalized, it may not be reversible. If everything looks correct, tap or click Cancel Reservation to complete the process. After that, wait for a confirmation message on screen or a confirmation email from Airbnb letting you know that the reservation has been successfully canceled. Finally, if you're eligible for a refund, check your refund status in your Airbnb account. Refund timing can vary depending on your payment method and your financial institution, so it may take a little time before the money appears back in your account. And that's how to cancel an Airbnb reservation. Just sign in, open trips, choose your booking, review the cancellation terms carefully, and confirm the cancellation once you're ready.